ES, are you... Ugh.
Okay.
Done. I guess. Maybe.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you have this problem, Kim?
Huh? No, I don't typically have that problem.
Work.
Today what am I doing?
I apparently still have settings for it somewhere. I don't... How, though? I removed everything. There's an uninstall widget button right there. Are you fucking serious?
And there goes the refrigerator.
Hmm?
The refrigerator just kicked on.
Yeah.
I know you can hear it. I just felt like announcing it for no reason. Okay.
Okay, so where did I just go? If you edit, I'll just send it to you.
Should probably set the default count to 1.
Is this notification? Oh. If you edit that file, you'll find all the widgets. This is weird. It doesn't give me the option to uninstall it.
That was a dumb error.
So, maybe that.
Oh. Wow, I'm really going bad here. Okay, that's the same output.
It's working. Kind of. Okay. Behavior buttons.
Telepathy now has clipboard support from the command line.
Nice. Show buttons next to tabs.
Which means now all you have to do is type in your domain nonsense and there you go. Like magic. Wow. That looks weird.
Yeah, it's I need to get rid of the name bit.
Where was I? Right, now all you have to do is type in the domain name and you're good to go. Should also probably add let's see, GitHub. Why am I using a wireless mouse?
Why are you using a wireless mouse? Especially when you could be using your phone.
Because that's just as bad as a touchpad. Okay, apparently we don't have issue tracking. Should probably disable all that over here.
Okay,
Issue 1.
Almost. Almost.
Yeesh. Bounty source add thing. Close issue.
Yeah, I'm okay with that. How do I... title?
Issues, projects, wikis. Disabled. Probably doesn't even want to have pull requests. I should probably throw up a junk branch. In fact, I think I totally will throw up a junk branch. Branch. New branch.
I mean, so it's there, Kim? What? You can set it up so that the name is like on the right side of the menu, right? Is that possible? Ideally, that's what I want.
branches. Build failing. Seriously? How does that fail?
Well, I don't know. You ask me. Like, I don't... Like, you would know more than me.
How does one fail and the other one not? That's my question. See, now that's exactly what I would expect. Because it's, you know, defaulting to a clipboard. Now I have to update my unit tests. I think I'm going to leave that off by default. That would be a configuration setting.
Oh, it works. And I don't have an ass ton of them, so... I really wish, though, I could just copy this, because I now have to get these settings the same. Remove it.
How's this failing?
I think it actually looks better too, because it knows how to space things properly. Because it's, you know, one widget.
Yeah.
I just... Were you able to get the icon to work?
For?
Active window control?
Oh, yeah. Icon works fine.
Really?
Yep.
Hmm.
Here, look over here.
While having the menu shown?
Oh, I don't have it do that. I haven't tried.
Oh, okay.
You could always find out.
I've been trying. It puts the icon, like, in the middle of the fucking menu.
I think it was working when I did have it set up like that, but I don't anymore. Just because I like the
Like
kind of Unity style.
Because I'd like to have the title on there as well, like, but at the end of the menu.
Hmm.
But it glitches out too much. Maybe it'll get fixed. But it works better, so.
Yeah.
I don't care about alt controls, so, you know, about having an alt shortcut on there, so.
I never used it anyway.
Yeah.
The most alt shortcuts that I actually use would be Alt F3.
Yeah, like I never use
the only one I ever
shortcuts
use.
on menus, like, you know, on those kind of menus, so.
Yeah. So, wait, why is this failing? It makes no sense.
What?
Why is this failing? It makes no sense.
Hmm. You streaming this still?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay. Clipboard, require clipboardy. Okay, defaults to false. How it's an array, pushes
So the reason why why Firefox may work for you on yours to have the global menu is because Canonical patches it to go through the dbus.
Canonical patching.
Yeah. There's apparently patches you can get elsewhere and apply them, but...
Why is the clipboard just empty? Dot write out. So why is this so close to me?
Is it using the correct clipboard?
It's not. It shouldn't be using the clipboard. It defaults to off.
Oh. Then what are you talking about? So I thought you were talking about it, like, wasn't going into the clipboard?
It shouldn't be going into the clipboard, but it appears to be. Yeah, totally going into the clipboard.
Hmm.
Oh. Oh. Whoops. I need a different config option than C for clipboard. Because C is config.
Capital C?
Ugh, no, gross.
B for board.
How about Y?
X. Is X used?
X is used. Dash Y. Y for yank.
Okay, works.
It's like in Vim.
You'll put that in the documentation, right?
Oh, I am totally
Why?
putting that in the...
Why? Because yank. Why? Like, just put random puns and shit in there. I mean...
Now it all works. Okay.
You saw the freaking wireframe today. Like, I was putting references in the wireframe. You know, path to the local file is that place I put that thing that one time. Why does it require that I build that instead of... Is it just newer? Is that what it is?
There, now my unit test shouldn't be failing. Also, I don't get how the heck one failed and one didn't.
Jeez, you were running on like 6 point something? I guess that was like, what, 3 years since you've updated it?
6 point... Oh, node 6.5? Oh, no, originally it was 0.10. Which
Yeah,
was current at the time.
That's 3 years ago.
I'm going to be bumping it up to 8.x, but I'm going to support all the way back to 6.x because stable. I have to figure out how to open this thing.
Beer?
No. Cider.
Hard cider?
Yes.
Hmm.
Why?
Here.
I don't drink beer. Beer is awful. Before hate.
Yes, there's the engineer. You're just like, yeah, let's use some pliers to open this beer bottle.
It's not beer.
Well, it's basically a beer bottle.
What?
It's a pop top in a dark brown glass bottle can, so that your beer doesn't get skunky. Even though it's not very dark, it's actually quite clear.
Mm-hmm.
That smells like a thing.
Yeah, it's cider. I spilled some of it.
How do I smell it? Get all my stuff.
Yeah, it should smell like fermented apples. Delicious, delicious fermented apples.
Okay, Kim, what if we made...
Okay, throw that in there.
What if we made a Nix-based distro? Ships KDE.
Oh, like NixOS already?
Well, yes, but it's super easy to install, right?
Like NixOS?
Is it?
Yeah.
Because,
Okay, it's not so easy anyone can do it.
yeah, that's the point, right?
It needs to be so easy your grandparents can do it.
Yeah, if you can install Firefox or Chrome on Windows, then you can install, you should be able to install this. That's what I'm getting at, right?
Yeah.
And it's set up like this. You know, it uses that Unity-esque layout.
I see.
We'd also have to open our C or something in there.
Yeah.
Or actually, people are saying run it actually is faster, but it may not give you the same kind of control.
I mean, they're already planning on jumping the
Yeah, actually, I don't know if
system D-shep. Sweet. Unit test pass.
Because, I mean, they were talking at System Decon. Oh, yeah, unit testing, that thing you were going to teach me.
Oh yeah, and I have the other one if you'd like to watch it.
What are the one? What are you actually doing? What, recording this or putting it in a place that I can see it?
It's being streamed to YouTube, which means it'll be saved.
Yeah. Usually it's like, here, watch this and learn how to unit test. I've literally not looked at anything about unit testing.
I mean, I don't talk about anything. I'm literally just sitting here doing things.
Yeah.
If someone were to ask questions, I would totally answer those questions.
What was I doing? Oh.
But, like, I'm not doing this for tutorials. This is literally just me coding. And I want to have fun, like, throwing a random stream out there, because why not? Oh, right, because it's fun.
Oh yeah, doesn't PHP require... PHP by default requires systemd?
What?
You can build against it, like, against, like, OpenRC, but it actually has a systemd dependency. It's fucking stupid that we start requiring systemd for everything.
You mean anything?
For anything, yeah. That's what I meant to say. That is literally what I meant to say, not... Yeah.
I should probably just start dumping this on Mastodon and merge my two identities that are online. Just, like, say screw it, whatever.
Yeah.
It's so tempting, though, to actually do that.
Yeah?
Uh-huh. Like, I may just say, fuck it, let's do it.
I'm listening to 90s pop songs, Ken.
Oh, is that why you suddenly broke out in song earlier? It's like some rando 1990s thing.
That's what I've been doing all day, like 90s pop songs. Definitely.
Okay. Yeah, I think I might actually do that. I'm gonna nuke my other Mastodon account and just rename this one. It'll make things so much easier for you because you'll only have to deal with one.
Yeah.
I have no idea what to do about Twitter, though, because I actually, like, vaguely used that. From both. I also get to use that neat fancy avatar that I got from you. On like all my things.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You know what? I'm just gonna say screw it. It's time to do that.
I mean, I don't know what all is involved in what you're doing, but okay.
Delete a Mastodon account that I don't use, and then rename the other one. Let me see if I can rename it.
Possibly. You can at least change your display name. I mean, you can contact the guy, the instance maintainer, and be like, hey, can you switch my name?
I don't know that they can.
I mean, at worst, what you can do is just export all of your stuff and move over to the other one. And then
Oh, right. Yeah, data export.
I mean, it's not...
Everyone that I follow, I block and I've muted.
Yeah.
Which means that I'll see everything the same.
Yeah. Though, it's not going to change your toots, though.
Yeah. It doesn't look like it'll transfer those. Then I can just lock the account and be like, hey, actual account over here.
Yeah, it's true.
Should I? What do you think?
It's up to you, Kim.
I mean, do you think it's a good idea?
I don't really...
Do you think it's a bad idea?
I mean, no, but...
There we go.
I don't see the benefit of it, either.
I only have one online identity.
I mean, there's that, I guess.
That's the benefit of it, because I already have people from other things, and I can just be like, okay, just one thing, and I don't have to deal with, like, two of them constantly, and be like, but I want to do this, but I want to do that, but I want to do this. Whatever, I can just do all of it.
There's people that are like, if NixOS reverts to OpenRC or Upstart, I'll leave NixOS. Systemd is the best thing to happen to Linux in a long time. And I'm guessing I'm not alone. Since
yeah, let's run everything in a single ring. That can't go wrong.
I mean, OpenRC still uses like sysvinit like style stuff. It just does them faster. NixOS was previously using Ubuntu's Upstart. Wow.
Well, Upstart was actually kind of decent.
NixOS was previously using Upstart, and this was the source of a lot of problems. As history has shown, we managed to do a full switch from one init system to another for a simple reason: the init system configuration is generated. I know a lot of people hate systemd. In the meantime, it solves problems. Now, if you create a NixOS module which provide an alternative to systemd and maintain it, the NixOS could be the first distribution to give you the ability to do it to switch. For the moment, either nobody is motivated enough to provide such an alternative, and or such solution does not exist yet. I would be glad if somebody can prove me wrong, because the freedom of free software comes in the ability to have choice. What fucking song is this? Oh, it's fucking Savage Garden. Jeez. Be your fantasy. I'll be your thing to me. This song is so 1998 for me.
Oh my gosh, will it just... Okay.
Kim, do we have a shorter fucking cable? Because this thing is stupid long. Yeah, that's... I don't want to sit here like this, Kim.
Hang on, I might have something for you.
Even a fucking twist tie or something.
That's what I'm looking for, is zip ties. I know I have some in here. Oh, hey. I can use that for charging my headset. Would you like a different mouse that I don't want? Yes, I'm just giving you things I don't want.
That's nice. I like this mouse.
Can I not have this mouse? I just don't want it. Like, I literally don't want it. Someone please take it. Make it go away. Here's a different one. I don't know if it's getting shorter.
I don't think so. Now I'm sitting here holding my tablet in my hand. I'm like, yeah, I was gonna draw, wasn't I? So far,
I don't know what you were gonna do.
There's a paperclip. You could kind of use that.
Found a broken 5X. Wait, do I have like a useless USB cable you can use for that? I totally do. Here, tie it up with that.
But I'm using a paperclip.
Okay, fine, use a paperclip.
Universal Office Tool, Kim.
Universal, something.
I'm sure MacGyver could disarm a bomb with it. Maybe some chewing gum.
Yeah, it's, didn't you know that USB stands for Universally Stopping Bombs? You're welcome. I'll be here all week.
It's so... reminds me of my mom and her boyfriend Bud so much.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing? I don't know which.
I mean, they were together during when this song was on the air. So, like... That's really the reason why.
I wish I could figure out how to get them to give me the thing.
A figurehead for an imaginary group of like-minded people went public with an idea, asking for people to actually do the work.
I'm just gonna log out of that other account.
Finally, Are they replacing systemd with OpenRC and its own simple init system? By the way, Church of Suckless NixOS sounds very religious and creepy. I just want systemd to be gone. Because that's the thing, Kim. Suck less.
No, wrong
Talk
account.
about fucking systemd. My next removal target would be Pulse Audio, which has a big issue with my Bluetooth headset. I mean, you know, there's a potentially like significantly better replacement on the horizon, and it's shipping in Fedora. Like right now, it's shipping in Fedora. I guess the next one, but you know, it's whatever.
Okay. I'm now Romic on Mastodon.
Hopefully, it's not the systemd of fucking of audio video frameworks, but you know, we'll see, I guess.
There we go. I'm moving. Moving all the way over there. I've been thinking about doing this for months, so like it makes sense.
GwixXD is based on NixOS.
Also, you keep typing in the wrong username anyway, so like now you won't.
GwixOS or GwixSD is based on NixOS, or at least on Nix package management, and it uses Shepherd instead of systemd. Just based on GwixSD. Just add in the ability to add proprietary stuff. But, you know, the first time it'll pop up with a warning, kind of giving you a disclaimer, you know, about the dangers of installing such software. You could have it show every time or not, you know, checkbox. Just use Gentoo and run Firefox's root. What's Pulse Audio? Why does it get such a bad reputation in the Linux world? So this is like one comment talking about some emails of people talking about going away from systemd. So far, that's the only thing I can find. There is apparently one developer jokingly trying to start a religion of the suckless NixOS. And there's always true OS, I guess. You get OpenRC from it, but it's not Linux. You do get KDE, eventually. What the fuck song is this? Yeah, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Probably gonna be too tired to fucking do this, but whatever's. Oh, why did you... I don't know what the fuck. Take That. I don't think I've ever heard Take That.
There you go, Esper.
What?
I now have one online identity.
I'm a bitch, I'm a lover, I'm a child, I'm a mother.
Oh my gosh, that song was too 90s for its own good.
Bitch. I don't want to work on this.
Work on what?
This.
Well, that's a lovely animation. Honestly, I kind of like it. It just reminds me of like 8-bit graphics. Though it's, I think it has too many colors for that, so we'll call it 12-bit.
12-bit. Well,
you've seen
it has 16-bit graphics, but it has a high color palette count.
It's kind of like the best
like
Super
16.
Nintendo game never made.
Yeah, sure.
What was the name of that game? Cave Story. Okay, what else do I need to do? Should probably do a version bump and, well, update the README, version bump, and then move towards, that next thing.
Do what?
Move towards working on the UI, I guess. Either that or sleep, because it is 12:44.
You look at my freaking monitor in order to see what time it is.
There's a clock on here somewhere. It's down on this screen that I haven't been looking at very much.
Mm-hmm.
I still love the fact that I did that. Equifax, you are hereby granted permission to use my personal information, provided all usage adheres to the terms of the GNU GPL. I doubt it'll actually hold up, but whatever, it was fun to do. Which means that they're actually kind of following it.
What do you mean?
with that gigantic leak that they had.
Oh. Hang on. Me too.
I honestly could not care less. At this point, it's like, whatever, steal my identity, I don't care. All I'm gonna do is be like, yeah, this is why we need to have PGP for all of this stuff, so that I can have, like, actual security. Also, why the heck would you ever, like, make it 3 or 9 freaking characters? Like, just pick just a random 9-digit number at random, and whatever. Pick a 9-digit number at random, and you have a 1 in 3 chance of getting someone's social security number. Just think about that for a second. A 1 in 3 chance of getting a valid social security number. Then pretend to be a company and do a background check on that social security. Or on that person's social. And then you have all of their information.
What the fuck am I listening to?
The 90s. You are listening to the 90s. Aren't you so glad that you've done that? That you're doing this to yourself? Wait, shoot, wrong button. Yeah, I think I'm done for the night. Doubt anyone's watching, but goodbye.